Look, I think there's a myth out there that is probably perpetuated by the media, perpetuated by what people see on newspapers and stuff like that. You've got to be mega wealthy, you've got to have hundreds of thousands of dollars lying around to get into the property market, especially for people living in very expensive property markets like Sydney or Melbourne. It can come across that way. I mean, if you have a look at the Sydney market, any property within 15 kilometers around the CBD is going to cost you maybe $2 million, maybe $3 million. However, once you actually do some research, once you actually understand the market, there are properties out there in good locations, may not be in your capital city, in other capital cities that you can get into for $500,000, $400,000 or $600,000. Now those are the properties that people should be looking at if you're not ultra wealthy. Most people only have $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. There are opportunities for those people, but you just gotta know where to look. You just gotta know where to do the research, how to find those properties, how to get those deals, negotiate and get the good prices. And you need the team around you to help you do all that stuff, because if it's not in your home state, if it's in another state, then you need people that understand that state, that understand the research behind those suburbs to then understand where you should be going and putting your money into. And that's probably something that everybody can do, but nobody really does because most people don't have the time because they've got work and family and stuff like that. But that's what we do. That's what we're here to help you with. And if you just have a look at what's available out there, you'll be very, very surprised. In fact, I actually go onto social media. I do a lot of Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and in one of my ads, I talk about how you can get into a property for $500,000. And you won't believe the amount of comments I get on that ad in the comment section saying, oh, give me a break. I can't, there's no such thing as a $500,000 property in Australia. And I look at that and I'm thinking to myself, no, there is. There's literally thousands of properties around that you could buy for $500,000. You just don't know where to look.